Bitch came with a bit, sucking the dick and I'm nothing to quick. Alright. Is this shit on? Alright, y'all. First of all, bro, like, after I went poop, do you guys ever have that thing where you're, like, not your butt, but, like, the actual, like, hole is, like, really itchy, and then, like, when you poop, it, like, kind of itches it, and then, like, it feels hella good? Or is that just me? Maybe I am gay. Wow. Thinking about what I just said. Wow. Okay, but, like, think about it, though. Like, y'all ever, like, you know, like, bro, like, literally, when I was just pooping, like, my butthole was, like, really itchy, and then, like, the poop, like, felt good because it was, like, itching. You know? Or nah? Is that just me? I think that might just be me. I ain't gonna cap. But anyways, let's get into this. We have a little 15-minute order cock right here. Let me turn up the damn brightness. I hate when it does that shit. Okay, we have the start of the order cock right there, the base of the order cock right here. This shit ain't even on it. We really don't have much to work with. That's about it. Bitch came with a bit. All right. So let's look at this. This is what I see right now, guys. So this was the news candle from this core PCE price index. Right? We swept liquidity and liquidity, tapped into this order cock. Then we like end up rallying. So I want to highlight this. And then also put on this as liquidity. And that looks good to me. We got market opening in like 2 minutes, so we'll see where it wants to go. We have like a bunch of different areas marked out. We have this 15-minute like order block, I guess, because we swept liquidity and then like rallied off of this move down. And then we also have liquidity right here, which lines up with this 5-minute order block, which is nice because I won't have to like highlight it like this, right? So, wow, my shit just lagged. But yeah, so we'll have this liquidity, which outlines liquidity, and this 5-minute order block. We have this 15-minute order block. And that's kind of all I need for sell side. I don't think, right, because we already swept this liquidity, I don't think price will come down here and take out this liquidity again, right? Because it was already a sweep, right? Like, let's think logically about this. And then to the top side, we have this like hourly order block, and then this like 15-minute order block all the way up here. Or sorry, no. This is the 15-minute order block, and then these are the highs. This is the first 15-minute high, and this is the second 15-minute high. So we have some areas that we can play off of. We're also yet to break above this level, which is that kind of the wick of that 1-hour order block. So yeah, we're kind of deep diving already into this 15-minute order block. Market's gonna open in like 20 seconds. We also have like this 1-minute order block, which is in line with all this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see where market wants to go. All right, let me get my phone out so I can trade. Yeah. All right, we took out this part of the 15-minute order block. We're just chilling right now. We got news coming out in like 4 minutes. Chicago PMI. So I'm kind of glad that this did not break structure. Let's start getting rid of some of these lines. From your slumber every day. All right, we took out this high as well, or this part of the order block. So this is that 15-minute order block that we highlighted. We have news coming out in 3 minutes. I'm going to go pee super fast because I have to. All right, so we have bearish news on Chicago PMI. Bullish on core price, so news is just 50-50. Honestly, I'm probably looking for shorts just because of the way that price has been rallying and taking out all these areas. I don't know why my shit is glitching right now. There we go. See, this is why I need a PC, because we just have too many people in here. Makes my shit lag out. Yo, you guys want to hear something funny? The Daily Trader added me in a video, bro. Trying to talk shit. Bro, look at this. No, like, if I'm them, I'm embarrassed about doing this, bro. Because look. Like, they have 1 million followers. And they really had the audacity to, like, at me. So this is their thing. They said, traders on TikTok trying to hate with their $1,000 accounts. Saw this comment under one of the hate videos about me. And then he, in the caption, he said, let's see your account at TJR Trades. Isn't that funny? I want to see how many views that video has. Yeah, 1,000 views. You're my son. The fact that I'm pulling like way more views than them, and they have 1 million followers and I have 78K. I'm sorry, bro. You are stooping down to some levels, trying to call me out. Hey, man, that just means I made it. The fact that they're seeing my shit and they know that I'm one of the biggest in the game now, they're getting a little bit scared, huh? Getting a little bit scared, huh? I ain't never seen bros do a live trade. I ain't never seen bros do what I do. Yo, we made a new low right here. If this shit breaks, if this shit closes below, I'll take a sell. Probably target, honestly, like this, or I don't even know what would be like a 1-to-1. Even this is a 1-to-1, but that shit didn't even break. That shit did not even break. So, and to be honest, bro, like this isn't even that high confluence of like an area, for being real. Like, it's struggling to get above this shit, guys. If we can close below this, if we can close below that red line, then I'll take it. We'll see what it wants to do, though. We'll make sure the shit is right on it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, I sold. I got a great fucking fill. I literally got filled like right here, bro. I'm deep in profit already. Okay, and this is a super good risk reward for the first take profit right here. All right, and then let's go ahead and do this one right down here as take profit 2. And then let's go ahead and do this as take profit 3. Because like I said at the beginning, right, I don't think price is going to come down and take all this out. Little order block right here. Damn. I'm out. Luckily, I really did not lose shit on that. I only lost a band because of how tight our fucking stop was. But that's unfortunate. First loss of the week. Yeah, I mean, I like that trade. There's really nothing that we could do about that. That was like honestly like prime time risk reward too. That just, I mean, cause we had such a tight stop. Yeah, I mean, we were due for a loss eventually. Makes sense because of all the news today. Or wait, let me leave that stuff up so I can make the TikTok. There we go. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Let me see. Yeah, I would have played it the exact same way. I'll actually be really disappointed if this shit goes down from here. I'll be mad if it goes down from here. Yeah, but I mean, luckily I didn't, right? Because what I usually set my stop to, it's usually at like a 500 pip count when I, like, for my set lot size, and that's to risk 1%. So I only lost a band today, so I lost less than 50, less than 0.5%. Most of the time, if I lose 1%, it's usually like 2.5 or like two bands. So luckily, it wasn't that luckily it wasn't that like much of damage done. I wanted to add this to the YouTube video because I'm talking with like the Discord and the Zoom right now. Be okay with taking a loss. A lot of people in the Discord right now are saying like, hey, should we be looking for another trade? What direction do you think it's going to go? Where can we find another trade? Recommend another trade. You guys have to be okay with losing. That is part of trading. I'm a super competitive person. I hate losing. Trust me, I probably hate losing more than you guys. But when it comes to trading, you have to understand that losing is a part of the game. You are never going to have a 100% win rate year. You're never going to have a 100% win rate like quarter. It's just not possible. Because the market is built to beat us. And it's our job to try and, use our edge, which is our strategy, and then also use our other edges, which are risk management and actually like using strong psychology to be able to understand that, hey, losing is a part of this and it's okay if I lose. and I'm not making this because people are saying like, oh, you're ass at trading. Like, we had a really good trading week. And to me, like, this is the first loss we took this week. So to me, it's like, fine. Literally less than 0.5% of my trading account for all the money that I've made this week. Right? Like, look at the pip amount on this stop loss. This is less than half of what our 1% risk is on a fixed lot size, right? Our fixed lot size on 1% risk is usually like 500 pips. So I lost like damn near nothing today, and you guys should have too, compared to what you've made over the course of the week. And that's like stop thinking in day to day and thinking like long term, like think in weeks and think in months. And if you have a losing week, think in months. Right? Like a lot of you guys are focused on the short term, and if you want to make it in life, not even just in trading, you need to be focused on like the long term. Like, what are you doing? Like, how much money are you making in the long term, or how much percent are you making in the long term? Because if you're making, like a couple 100% by the end of the year, which is, pretty fucking normal, right? Think about it. If your goal, which most beginners traders goal should be to make 10% a month, right? As like the minimum. If you make 10% a month for 12 months straight, that's 120% on the year. That's pretty ridiculous. That's an insane percentage gain, right? So think about it in the long term. One day is just a small subtraction from that big percent at the end of the year. One losing day, like maybe you lose 1% or 2%. It's really nothing compared to what you're pulling in every single month, what you're pulling in every single year. That's something that you guys should think about. Even if you aren't a trader, like if you're just thinking in terms of like a business standpoint, right? Let's say I run a business and I have to pay for expenses. What expenses do you have to pay for in trading? Nothing really. There's no business expenses. Think of losses as business expenses. You're pretty much paying for a lesson that you learned from the market. Or you can literally just think of it as a business expense. Say, hey, sometimes you got to pay a certain amount of money to make a certain amount of money. And if trading, right, if everyone was able to be 100%, have 100% win rate in trading would be the most lucrative and the most valuable fucking job in the world. But losing is a part of it, and that's why trading is so hard, because people really focus on that short-term goal, which is day-to-day monetary gain every single day, making money every single day. And you won't get that. And some people think that's what trading is all about, making money every single day. And that's the hard thing that people have to get over, is realizing that you have to be able to be okay with losing $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, to be able to bring in the amount that we are bringing in, which is in fact a lot of money. So that's my little losing speech. I feel like I make one of those every time we lose, because there's new people that come into the Discord every single day, every single week, that may be kind of like beginners to this or new to my content. And there's a reason why I have to give these speeches when we lose. It's not for me, it's for you guys, to kind of reassure you that, like, I do this professionally and I lose. Right? Like, losing is very normal. And if you're not okay with losing, either try and get okay with it. And if you still aren't okay with losing, I would go into something else. Competitive, if you're that type of person where you literally just cannot handle ending the day in the negative, you really won't be able to make it far in trading, unfortunately. And if you think about it, right, like if you're okay, if you would rather, spend money on, like, let's say ads, like, right, if you're doing like drop shipping or e-commerce, right, would you rather lose money on a trade where you fucked up, or would you rather spend money on ads, right? Because it's the same thing. You're losing money both ways, and both things are beneficial to you. Ads, they're bringing more people in. Losses, you're learning a lesson. It's both of them are beneficial to your business. It's just the way that you have to think about it. Losses are a business expense in this case. Just like any other business, right? You got to spend money to make money. So that's my little speech for you guys. We still had a great fucking trading week. Yeah, we had a great fucking trading week. We will be doing our little Saturday Zoom call tomorrow. Before I head out to Houston, and I will be trading when I'm in Houston. So I fly out to Houston on Sunday, and then I'm going to get to bed really early when I get in to Houston. I'm just going to grab dinner and then go straight to my hotel and just fall asleep. And then on Monday, I'm going to wake up, do all my trading stuff with you guys, and then I'm going to go to Alpha Land and do like a vlog there, and then obviously go to the NCAA championship game and do a vlog with that as well. So yeah, I'm excited to see you guys on Monday back in action on the trading shit. We'll talk about we'll talk about all the regular stuff on the Saturday Zoom. But yeah, man, I'm excited for it. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to dip out and head to the gym, get a little lift in. Also, like, this is really shitty price action. Like, price hasn't moved. I don't know where the fuck, like, if you took a long, you're probably in fucking drawdown, and if you took a short, you're probably in fucking drawdown. This is terrible price action. So, yeah. All right. That's pretty much it for me.